Hello and welcome to this IP integration demonstration video. On this video, we'll be looking at Genesys Cloud agent created and API driven callbacks. So to start, we're going to look at the agent created callbacks. So the agent receives a call as per usual. They answer the call. You'll see that my Pauseable apps now come up and the customer says that they would like a callback. So on the right hand side, I'm just going to move my Pauseable app and I'm going to go to the calendar. The calendar is the scheduled callback. Here the normal information such as date and time are there. You can also have an optional for the time zone that you're in and the telephone number, which is pre-populated with the customer's telephone number. I have a route call back to me if possible and take ownership. The difference of these is that if possible, I have to be logged in and free at that time. However, if I'm not, it will go to somebody else. Take ownership means that the callback will only be made when I'm free and available at that time if possible. Otherwise it will wait longer. And now the agent finishes the call, so they're going to hang up. They say callback requested as the wrap up code and they click done. Now the agent's free to take any more contacts as they need to. We will now show you what happens at the time of the callback. And now at the time of the callback, the agent's free and available, therefore the callback comes to me. I answer it. And now you can see that I've got a pre-populated telephone number for this customer. I've got the information coming from my CRM. And you can see that I've got an end callback button as well. So when the agent's ready and they've taken all the note of the information, they click on the telephone number. The telephone call's now being made out. I'm happy, I've spoken to my customer, and I click end the call. And now I will show you API-driven callbacks. For this, I'm going to use my website. I have a website that runs an API in the background, which will take the information from my website and place this into an outbound campaign that's always running. So from here, I have my website, and all that's going to happen is the customer is going to enter in both their name and their telephone number. And then the agent clicks submit. This now passes the information from the API to the Genesys system, and a call comes in as we can see now. We click answer, and we can begin our call as per last time. Everything's available to us. And lastly, if we just look at the campaign, you can see that it's an always running campaign. So the API is pushing this call into an always running campaign, and thus the call goes straight to the agent. And that's the end of this video. If you would like further information on the features or enhancements that you've seen in this video, or you would like a full demonstration of the Genesys Cloud platform, please do not hesitate to contact IP Integration.